Take a look at the big picture pattern here. Tomorrow does look like it's going to be a rather dim day overall with a lot of cloud cover overhead, and the next chance of rain is on the way. The center of the storm system still way out over the Pacific, but the leading edge of the moisture is getting closer to the coast, and that is going to move in as we head through tonight into early tomorrow morning. Futurecast shows the first wave of showers while most of us are sleeping. Scattered showers as we begin the day on Wednesday. The forecast models, considering this is about 6 to 8 hours away from starting to move in, are still all over the place in terms of depicting how the rain is going to behave. Scattered showers, mostly light to moderate rain, some occasional brief heavier downpours, but this is not going to be the high impact event that we had Sunday night into early Monday morning. This is going to amount to modest rainfall totals, enough to wet down the roads for the morning commute, so allow some extra time for that. The lingering showers should quiet down tomorrow night, and then we're back into a dry pattern with a mix of clouds and sunshine on Thursday. So how much rain are we talking about total? Again, this is forecast model data, and there are some differences between the various models. In general, a tenth of an inch to a quarter inch on a widespread basis until you get a little bit closer to the coast and a little farther north, closer to a half inch for Santa Rosa. And forecast models are indicating maybe more than an inch in a few spots in the higher elevations right along the coast. Southern half of the Bay Area, not nearly as much, less than a tenth of an inch on a widespread basis, again, until you get a little bit closer to the coast. So again, a limited impact as opposed to Sunday night and Monday's heavy rain. Temperatures right now, we're waiting on it to arrive. Everybody is in the 50s. We're going to drop later on tonight, but not that much with that blanket of clouds you see as we look out from Oakland. That's going to insulate the ground, keep temperatures mostly in the upper 40s to around 50 degrees. And despite the showers tomorrow, we're still going to manage to warm up to pretty close to what's normal for this time of year. In fact, I think pretty much everybody is going to be within a degree on either side of what's average for late January. 1 degree above normal in San Jose. Again, lighter rain chances in the Santa Clara Valley, so you got a little more room to warm up. Temperatures in the upper 50s inland in the East Bay, also upper 50s all around the bay. Mid 50s right along the coast should be one of the cool spots at Half Moon Bay at 56 degrees. Temperatures in the North Bay, where the rain is going to be a bit more persistent, but heavier, also mostly in the mid 50s, but some spots manage to sneak up another degree or two on top of that. We do have some warmer temperatures a little bit farther down the line. Let's take a look more at the long range outlook. Temperature wise, we'll focus on one of the inland spots, San Jose, the Santa Clara Valley. Look at that climb in temperatures as we head through the end of the work week and into the weekend. Close to 70 in San Jose already on Saturday, into the 70s for high temperatures both Sunday and again on Monday, which is good news for the 49ers. No worries about rain or slippery footballs or anything like that. Kickoff temperature in Santa Clara is going to be right around 70 degrees, still in the upper 60s by 5 o'clock in the evening. But farther down the line, there is a return to the wet weather pattern. The end of January, the beginning of February, both the 6 to 10 day outlook and 8 to 14 day outlook from the Climate Prediction Center show a good chance of a very wet pattern returning as we start the new month. Let's take a look at the 7-day forecast, and even with that warm up for inland parts of the Bay Area, we're still looking at pretty similar temperatures across the entire region. So this is the forecast for all microclimates. Everybody's going to be within a few degrees of each other with the one wet day on Wednesday. Saturday is kind of the wild card day. We're going to see some more clouds. Slight chance of a couple of showers, mainly for the North Bay, and then we dry out and we warm up. Temperatures in the mid to upper 60s, some spots in the low 70s by Sunday and Monday. And then the beginning of that next wet weather pattern could be as early as Tuesday, might hold off until Wednesday and Thursday. We'll keep you updated on that over the next several days.